Hi everybody, we are building our haunted house and we are on budget page 2. We already did another budget page previously, so I'm going to go up 2 slides and show you. This is the first budget page. So I started with $4,000. I spent $726 on flooring and I had $3,274 left over. Then I spent some money on my roof. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in how much money I had before the roof, which was $3,274. That number came from right here. That was how much money I had left 2 slides ago. Then I'm going to put in the number of dollars I spent on my roof, which was $810. And now, to find out how much I have left, I'm going to subtract one more time. So I'm going to do 3,274 minus 810. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 8 you cannot do. I'm going to borrow from the 3, make it a 2, and give that 1 over to the 2. Now it's 12 minus 8, which is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. I have $2,464 left over. And that's it for budget page 2.